Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you 25 simple tricks for beginners to make money online. If you're looking for ways to earn extra income from home, you've come to the right place. These tricks don't require any special skills or investments, and anyone can do them. So, let's get started. Number 1. Take online surveys. Companies pay for your opinion. Check out survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Number 2. Sell your stuff. You can sell your used clothes, electronics, and furniture on websites like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. You can offer your administrative skills to businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with tasks like email management, social media, and data entry. Number 4. Do freelance writing. If you're good at writing, you can write articles, blog posts, and website content for businesses and websites. Number 5. Transcribe audio files. You can get paid to transcribe audio files for companies and individuals. Number 6. Offer graphic design services. If you're good at graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with logos, branding, and marketing materials. Number 7. Start a blog. You can start a blog on a topic you're passionate about and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Number 8. Sell digital products. You can create and sell ebooks, courses, and printables on websites like Etsy and Gumroad. Number 9. Test websites. You can get paid to test websites and provide feedback on usability and design. Number 10. Be a tutor. You can offer your expertise in subjects like math, science, and language to students around the world. Number 11. Do voiceover work. You can get paid to record voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and commercials. Number 12. Become an affiliate marketer. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale you make. Number 13. Offer social media management. You can help businesses and entrepreneurs manage their social media accounts and grow their audience. Number 14. Sell your photos. If you're good at photography, you can sell your photos on websites like Shutterstock and iStock. Number 15. Do data entry. You can get paid to enter data into spreadsheets and databases for companies and individuals. Number 16. Become a translator. If you're fluent in another language, you can offer your translation services to businesses and individuals. Number 17. Create and sell print-on-demand products. You can create and sell t-shirts, mugs, and other products on websites like Teespring and Redbubble. Number 18. Do customer service. You can provide customer support for companies and help customers with questions and issues. Number 19. Offer video editing services. If you're good at video editing, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with their video content. Number 20. Sell handmade products. If you're crafty, you can sell handmade products like jewelry, candles, and soap on websites like Etsy. Number 21. Offer bookkeeping services. If you're good with numbers, you can offer bookkeeping services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Number 22. Become a pet sitter. You can offer your services to pet owners who need someone to take care of their pets while they're away. Number 23. Sell your crafts. If you're good at knitting, crocheting, or sewing, you can sell your crafts on websites like Etsy. Number 24. Offer web design services. If you're good at web design, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with their websites. Number 25. Participate in paid focus groups. You can get paid to participate in focus groups and provide feedback on products and services. So there you have it. 25 simple tricks for beginners to make money online. These tricks are just a few examples of the many ways you can earn extra income from home. The key to success is finding something that you're good at and that you enjoy doing. Remember, making money online takes time and effort. You may not see results right away, but don't give up. Keep trying different things until you find something that works for you. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments which of these tricks you're going to try out first. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.